everyone. So really quick, I'm just, because we are actually doing a little getaway, I brought with me some stuff to kind of just do kind of a quick look, quick face. Just, not to take too much of our time, too much of my time while I'm here. So I'm just gonna just do my face really quick and just show you really quick what I brought with me, and we'll go from there. So I have with me my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just going to put that on my face really quick. And just something to help have it set. This little place that we are in is actually a friend of my husband's. It's his kind of like his general family's place. And we had planned to take a different trip during Thanksgiving, but it didn't end up working out just for this year. We may do something like it later on. And he'd heard about the fact that we were not going to be able to travel to that place originally, and so he offered to let us stay in this place. It's a little condo. It's a bit of an older model, but it's really nice. It has it's made for like a lot of people to stay here. There's lots of beds, which is nice, and we got to sleep in a really nice big bed, and my daughter, so glad she slept through the night. I was worried she wouldn't. And then what I've been using to kind of help with the under eyes here, I've been using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Peach Corrector. So it's this one here. And I just, like I said, I put it under my eyes and any other spots I might need it. And I've noticed that it tends to help better with those areas that I've noticed. I mean, I haven't found really a concealer that I'm in love with. I like stuff, but I'm not like amazing love with it. So I'm going to do that first really quick here. Use an eyeshadow palette here, or mirror in an eyeshadow palette, I should say. Spots here. And I do this before I put on foundation. I tend to just use my fingers to kind of warm it up and pat it out. I know the lighting's not very good. I'm in a closet, so unfortunately the lighting's pretty bad. And what I'm actually going to be using is the Nude Sticks Concealer, Cream Concealer Nude 4. And I'm kind of just going to kind of just put it in the center and just kind of spread it out. I'm also going to use it under the eyes. And I'm just using a foundation brush. I'm kind of just blending it out. Just want it to still look really natural. I'm not trying to go full glam. We're just here on a little vacation getaway, and I don't want to take too much time. Now, I know I used one concealer, but I'm also going to use another one, and I'm going to use that specifically for just under the eyes to kind of just brighten it up a little bit. So this is another concealer I have. It's not very great, like I said, but I use it, and it's almost done, in fact, so I kind of need to start venturing out into another concealer. So, but this one is the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and this is in the shade 125 Light Natural. Again, I'm just going to use my finger to kind of just warm it up and spread it out. Try not to use too much. This doesn't completely perfectly conceal my dark circles. I have very light dark circles, like really in here. So there's that. So now I'm going to just quickly set my face with some powder. I have with me the Maybelline Fit Me in shade 20 Light Medium. So now for me, what I wanted to do was try and bring kind of as little as I possibly could, but also still kind of be able to make a full face. So I brought one eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's that Urban Decay Born to Run. It's really good. I really enjoy it. It's just you can't go wrong with it. I'm sure for you, if you've used it, it's really good. And then I also brought with me a face palette, and that's the Physicians Formula Butter Collection with Weiling. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing her name. And this one has the bronzer, the blush, and the highlighter. So I figured, this is really great to bring with, and I don't have to bring as many items with me, and everything works really great from this palette. So, and I've used it so much, and I just really enjoy it. So we're just going to do some quick bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I don't know if you can see, but my bronzer brush got this one. So trying to be careful there. Anyway, I'm gonna do my brows really quick now. So you can see it's just, like I said, very just simple and quick. Again, I'm really sorry about the lighting. It's not the best, but I'm working with what I got here. Oh, and I'm also using the NYX Professional Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. Sorry. Now I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow, and like I said, I'm going to be using that Born to Run palette. So I just need to put some primer on my eyes, and then we'll get onto the eye look. See, that's how it's gonna look. I'm gonna do a better shot in better light so you can kind of see the full effect here. But I think that's good. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl my lashes and put on some mascara, and I will put on some setting spray, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so here is the final look. Like I said, it's just really quick and simple. And I'm gonna go now because my daughter's apparently wanting me very much. So I'm gonna go, and I will show you the rest of what we're doing while we're up here in Park City. So we'll see you in a sec. Okay, sorry. So here's some better lighting. It's kind of muted a little bit. I'm wearing my glasses, so just wanted to see how my makeup looks a little bit better now. I did put on some liner and lip gloss, but that kind of already faded a little bit. So just, some simple eye look to match with my outfit. But I did want to just show you really quick. Sorry again about the wind. This is our balcony, just to do a little quick cars over there, and just, it's so pretty here. So we're outside our balcony, and this little one's just having a ball. She's just enjoying the view. We're gonna go into town and kind of just check it out and see what's there. So we're very excited for that. Say hi.
Say hi. Here's cars.
Yep.
Go, 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 go.
sorry. So, unfortunately, this video is going to be ending pretty much here. Unfortunately, my husband, he got a really bad migraine yesterday, so we had planned to take a little hiking, walking thing in the afternoon, and just didn't end up working out. So he had to rest, which I totally understand. Those aren't fun. And today, actually, we're cleaning up because, like I said, this is a place that one of his friends owns, and nice enough, and they're letting us do it for free here. So as a thank you, we're trying to clean up and make it look nice for when we go. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry, that's pretty much where it ends here. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you're having a great day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you. Take care. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.